Happy reveal night, everybody. We are revealing, doing an unboxing of the gorgeous second edition of Doodles and Dashes. One of my absolute all-time favorite collections, and we did it again. So Doodles and Dashes 2 is the unboxing for tonight. Mr. Daisy will do his cocktail. I hope you love the unboxing. I hope you love all that we've put into this. And actually, I hope you love it just as much as the original Doodles and Dashes. It has got some of the same elements with a few little fall things thrown in and some new artwork in there as well. So enjoy the unboxing, enjoy Mr. Daisy's cocktail, and make sure that you join us after at about 8 o'clock. You can join Mr. Daisy and I for a little live where we will answer any questions you have about the unboxing, the products, or his cocktails, anything about that, or even if you just want to chat. We love to chat with you guys. So join us at about 8 o'clock and we will hop on and we will have a live. I hope to see you then.
All right. Welcome back to the Lost Bunker. This month's cocktail was a little bit of
Lots of trial and error.
Lots of trial and error. But we kind of came up with...
It's flipped, honey. There you go. There you go.
Sorry. We looked around and looked around and looked around, and we tried a couple of different ones. And this one, actually, cider and donuts, it's really, really simple. And it's all of the
tasty
fall flavors.
Yeah.
And it's...
We tried a pear one, and you did this whole pear simple syrup, and it wasn't working.
It just didn't work. It wasn't fall enough, and it wasn't. The flavors weren't like, oh, that reminds me of.
Right.
So we started digging around, and then we found an image more than anything, and then we started playing with the ingredients, and at any rate, so we are calling ours
Cider and donuts.
the cider and donuts. And this is a remarkably easy cocktail, especially because it is this time of year. Just a little bit of simple apple cider, 4 ounces of that.
And this is just a regular, plain old apple cider.
Apple cider, no special caramel, salted, sweet, spicy, whatever.
Yeah, there's a lot of different ones out. We just kept it simple.
Keep it really easy. Rum chata. Pretty much you can get it anywhere. You can get this flavored if you want coconut, which I don't think you would want it in there, but this is just the standard. Is basically it's got some really nice vanilla notes in it. It is a little bit creamier. It just gives it a really kind of nice flavor. And of course, this is
your new bottle.
You can see how often we use this stuff. We had to go out.
Well, we wanted to do something a little different.
So yes, definitely you want to shake this.
Yeah, because it is like a creamy base, right?
Yeah, it's a cream base, but it's a rum cream base. So this is the weird part. So when you put this thing together, your 1 ounce of rum chata, and then because we had some left over.
Yeah, we went with the caramel. I know we used that.
Went with the caramel. You could do this with vanilla also if you want to really kind of bring that kind of whipped creamy kind of flavor.
Yeah, there's the whipped flavor. There's which we've done before where we've thrown a cinnamon stick in it to flavor it with cinnamon. So you can kind of tweak whatever vodka you want almost, I think.
So you could take just, we happen to use this one and this particular one, but you could definitely play with this as far as kind of bending those flavors around a little bit. So, and then 1 ounce of that, and it's gonna look weird in your glass. It's gonna look like it almost wants to try to separate or something. Don't panic, it'll all go away. I know it looks weird. All right, a little bit of ice.
It almost ends up looking like what did I say? Like a root beer float almost.
Yeah.
Or
give this give it a tap, give it a shake. Another tap. And so kind of sticking with that kind of fall-y theme, we're opting
You gotta have the mason jar.
have the mason jar. And what works out really, really nice is that particular cocktail works out to 6 ounces, which is fine. Obviously, you get a really, really nice foam.
Take your donut.
Cinnamon and sugar donut.
And yes, you do
Place
get
that
the
for
donut.
garnish.
That's the best part
That's
of the
the
whole
best part of
drink.
it. Not only that, but when you do that, what happens is that little bit of donut will actually, it sprinkles in a little bit of that cinnamon and sugar and actually kind of pushes those flavors forward a little bit. Yes, we did go through some donuts while we were doing this until we figured out, no, you don't want a half moon, you need a full moon, and well, if you have too much of it or whatever. But there you go.
It's really tasty too.
It is.
It's very tasty.
It is very good. And it's really, really super simple. Again, it's 4 ounces, 1 ounce, and 1 ounce. You can make this via a batch so that you could have, you can serve that to
It'd be fun for Halloween too.
the parents that are out dragging their kids around and that kind of stuff. But it is really, really good, and it's a lot of fun. And it took us a little while to get it sorted.
To get it tweaked the way
we got
wanted
it sorted.
Yep.
So,
Well,
excellent.
Thank you, honey. Cider and donuts.
Cider and donuts.
Thank you, dear.
Enjoy.